Hello to everybody, hope you are good and fine. I believe you were waiting the unboxing of my Huawei Pura70 Ultra. It's the half terabyte white version with it come with 16 GB of RAM. You see here. Okay. So let's pause a while. Okay, here we are. Just doing this way. Hola. Okay, sounds good. I can do with one hand. Sorry, but I wanna leave quickly to go outside because the city is live. Back, I just cut some seconds, nothing more. Here we have the phone. Seems amazing. Oh no, I don't like this cover. No, I don't like this one. I need to buy another one. This is very ugly. I want the white one. Okay, let me make a picture. Took USB. The charger is 100 watt. Okay, and also we have nothing, no surprise. There is no another one, the manual and the one to unplug. Okay, let me open it. Can do one hand. Cocla. Oh, it's very good. I like this texture. Okay, let me do a zoom. Also, this is the S23 Ultra. It's not very bad, really, because the light is poor. And here you see, and you see. Okay, thank you for watching. Now I wanna try it and I wanna leave more than that. Take care.